morning everyone. I will be tackling or discuss the parabola horizontal line. So this is our problem. X squared over 9 and y squared over 25 equals 1. So before that, we will find the center, vertex, focus, and asymptote. So our center is 0.0. Then vertex, how will you find the vertex? But before that, we will go into our graphing. So what is the square root of 9? 3. So we can write the 3 o maglagay tayo ng tatlong bakit? 1 and 2 3. So same process sa right side. 1 2 3. You can write the 3. 1 2 and 3. Same this 1 2 3. But different sign. This is the positive and negative. This is our x 9. Next is the y squared. What is this? What is the square root of 25? Is 5. You can write 5. Bakit? 1 2 3 4 5. Same process to the downside. 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is the 5 and 5. 5. These are negative. So our vertex is, this is our vertex. I define the vertex is 3. So you can write a vertex in 3. Close parenthesis and negative 3.0 and the positive 3. Open and the positive 3.0. So this is our vertex and the square root of 9. This is our graphing to find the vertex. And next is you want to put the point. You want this. You point this there rather and there. Your name is yeah. So you want me to underline. So this is our vertex. To find the vertex in this slide. So you can make a cross here. And same path here. So that's it. Main need is you want this. You want this. So that's it. Our vertex to find the transcendence. So next is the focus. How will you find the focus? To find the focus, you can make a problem. C squared equals E squared plus B squared. Then C squared equals, what is the 9? 9 plus 25. So that's it. And next is 3 squared equals, what is the 9 plus 25 equals 34. 34. Next is you can solve it in the square root. What is the square root of 34? The square root of 34 is 5.8. This calculate. So next 5.8, you can add this graphing. What is the 5.8? You can add the 5. You add the 5 is our the 5 is our focus. You can add the 2 lines. 1 and 2. Because to the right side, 1 and 2. But our focus is negative 5.80. Then same process, positive, open parenthesis, and positive 5.8 and 0. So that is our focus. How do you apply this 5.8 to our graphing? So you can, so let's see that nakakaad na tayo ng dalawang this like this. So how do you write 5.8 in the graphing? So 5.8 not one, hindi naman pwede tayo maglagay dito sa ang 5. Kaya 5.8 our focus. You can write this 5.8 in the center of 6 and 5. So dito tayo maglalagay ng 5.8 in our focus. 5.8. So same process, this left side is 5.8. 5.8. So this is our focus. This is our focus and focus this. So next is the last is asymptotes. Asymptote rather. How do you find the asymptotes? So you can write y squared equals plus and minus. What is the square root of 9? 3. And what is the square root of 25? That's 5. So that's the asymptotes. The square root of 3, or square root of 9, 3. The square root of 5, 25 rather, is 5. So that's all. I hope you understand my discussion for today. Thank you.